Okay, sorry about that, cat. Let's go. There's somebody following me. This is sentence. My God, chest, please don't be. Yes, it's not empty. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I need shoes. I need some new sneakers. And no sneakers. Great. Oh yeah, just fantastic, right? Yeah. Just. Oh, not chest. Please. Yes, diamond boots. Brand new sneakers. Let's see, new chest. Oh no, I already have that chest. This chest, please have something awesome. Still gonna take this. So yeah, let's go up. Because no, up is up away. So I think this round, after this round, I'm going to cut because it's enough. 3 rounds. I know I failed on 2, but what you can do when your Minecraft lags? Yay, new pants. And I hope nobody kills me while I'm doing this, because that's just trolling. Gonna take this, thank you. Let's go more up. We're going to go more up as time goes. How many people do we have on server 6? Man, there's going to be a long round. Yes! Keep talking, boy. Keep talking. Full diamond set. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, boy. That's my style. Yeah, look at this. Look at me. I'm so beautiful. I just need what's called I need a diamond sword, a little soap sword to go with my little soap. Ow. Oh yeah, that is so stupid. Okay, so let's just eat a golden apple before we go down there, because it's going to hurt. And I see some guys, so yeah, this is going to be fun, and because they're probably going to kill me. Yay! Are they? Nope. Still not. Still nothing, guys. Regenerate. Because of that, and please give me the oh, I like the sword. You can give it to me. You gonna give it to me? I give you this in the face. I give you this in the face, okay? Okay. Good trade. No. Well, since losing that Hunger Games, I got to. Well, it's not even the finale, but still, I was in the top 4. Yes, new record. Actually, it's not. I won a couple of times, but yeah. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for this episode. Hope you like this series. I'm going to do it also in multiplayer. I mean, I'm already doing it in multiplayer. I might put potato games.